Hey guys, Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital at Business Growth Guys, a Wizard of Ads partner. And today I want to share with you something I ran across today, which is the 2022 Twitter Planner. And you can find this on business.twitter.com, and it's under Resources and Guides. It's the 2022 Planner. And I'll put the link in the show notes so that you can easily click on it and pick it up there. I'm going to hit a couple of pages that I think are absolutely brilliant and helpful for you if you're planning any type of social media content, not just Twitter. So here they've laid out a month worth of tweets where they do a frequently asked question. A retweet is sharing somebody else's content, offering up a pro tip, retweet but adding a comment to it, a behind the scenes pick, picking up on Motivational Monday. We'll hit that one again later. And so they give you a statistic, a meme. They give you an idea on how to lay out a month's worth of content. Pretty good little map. Now I'm going to skip a whole bunch of pages because they're just blank pages for you to actually write in content ideas. And I guess this would work for some people, but I'm really just digging into the highlights of this for you. So I'm going to go all the way down to page 57. I'm sorry for the rapid scrolling. And this is where they call it helpful resources. So page 58 just gives you some ideas on what they call pro tips on, how to refresh your profile, leverage your Twitter tools, use website buttons, get creative. That's not really great content, but the next one is, here's some best practices, right? Strong copy. Strong written copy always works. If it is a call to action, definitely include a call to action. Use a strong tweet image, right? Stuff that's not pixelated, and these days stay away from text on the image. Have a central focus, something that's bright and catches the eye. Something that stands out in the feed is essentially what they're saying, right? Videos are also picking up, so these are 15 seconds or less. Have captions, always something strong for social media because a lot of people are watching with the sound off, right? And here's the neat statistic. Year over year, there's been a 34% increase in video. So video is working if it's done well. And the next page that I want to point out to you would be page 63. Page 63 says take advantage of these hashtags. Sunday Fun Day, Motivational Monday, there it is again, Transformational Tuesday, Wednesday Wisdom, Throwback Thursday, Friday Feeling, Catch Your Day, right? Catch Your Day, so office pets, something like that. And the last page that I want to point out to you is page 65. Page 65 is just ideas for video. This can also be ideas for content, how-tos, questions and answers, gift guides, product forward, customer spotlight, unboxing, before and after, user-generated content is stuff that your community generates for you. So anyways, not a bad guide. I'd suggest taking a look at it, stealing an idea or two from it. So shout out to Twitter. At least they've put out something for you to use. I'd say grab it, take a look at it, use it as much or as little as you want. There's some good content generating ideas in here. So if you like this video, please give us a like. Subscribe to the channel so you see more of my videos, and thank you for watching.